We at Stinel Dog World always try to manage to bring you the best content. So today, I'm actually at the equator point. That's 0.0 degrees of the Earth. Where I'm standing right now is actually the northern hemisphere. When I move like this, the equator passes through this pole. So on this pole is where the equator passes. When I move down like this, it's on the southern hemisphere. I said I had to show you guys this. And if you haven't subscribed to Stinel Dog World, please don't forget to subscribe. And on the other side of the highway, the Nanyuki Highway, is the beautiful Mount Kenya. Can you see it? That's the Mount Kenya there, showing itself in its glory.